So once you've opened your trading account with Esco, or either you use OctaFX, so the next thing you want to do is to look at the trading platform you want to use. For example, if you come to platform, you see Metatrader 4. I know most of you must have downloaded your Metatrader 4 on your phone. I'm going to do a video also on how to use it on the phone, but this video is specifically on how you can use Metatrader 4 on your laptop. That is what we want to do. So the next thing you want to do is to click on Metatrader 4. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. So once you are here, it's a platform that has won the trust of traders around the world. It's very popular. No Forex trader will tell you they don't know Metatrader 4. So these are the stuff you're able to get at your fingertips. Live price streaming and one-click trading. You have analyzed data at 9 time frames. And you also have online financial market news. We also have automated trading. We also have high security 128-bit encoding. And we also have variety of trading tools, indicators, and advisors. So these are the features that we have in the Metatrader 4. So this is just letting you know you need an account. So because after opening an account, a login details will be sent to you. So 2 login details. One is how to log into that actual platform. That is where you are going to do what? To do your deposit, and that's where you do your withdrawal. But for trading purposes, another login details will be sent to you. So it is the details of that login that you will use to log in your Metatrader 4. So once we are here, beautiful thing about Metatrader 4, you can do indices, you can do commodities, you can do cryptocurrency. So you can actually download on Play Store or you download on App Store. But for us, I think we'll be going for Windows. We want to download from Windows. So it's currently downloading right here. But just in case you don't want to follow that route, you can come here and click Windows. Once you click Windows, the same thing will happen also. So 2 ways to download it. So once it is downloaded, we'll come to this part. Now we have it. So now note that this is RUSG. That is what we have here, RUSG Finance. So RUSG Finance is what we are going to use while we want to activate it. So you come here, you see RUSG Finance. So what we do, we'll click it. Once you click it, it will give us the name and give us the publisher, which is Metacoat Limited, and this is the application. So we'll click run to this part again. So all you need to do is to click next also. So once you click next, you look at the top, your MTTrader 4 is now downloading. So let's give it some few seconds. This is where we are. Congratulations, we are waiting for you. So you come here, you click finish. So once you click finish, you see you heard that sound, right? So we've actually logged in, and we've not logged in, we've actually downloaded it. So this is where we are now. So you can see RUSG Finance. This is a live account. So let's come to file. If you come to file, you see new chart, you see open offline, open profile. So you have all these. We also have open an account. We also have login to trading account. So I think you want here to, this is where you want to come here and click login to trading account. So as you can see my code, and you can see my password. You can see the RUSG Finance that I told you will search for live. So you come here and you click login, and now I have logged in. So you come to this place, you click trade. You see what I have here. My balance is 0.32 USD, and the equity is this, and my free margin is this. So you can come here and click exposure. You see account history. All your trade that you've done will be here, and you have news, you have alerts, you have mailbox, and you have this, you have signals. So these are all the informations you have down here. So if you have a trade running, it's going to give you the size, the symbol, the price, stop loss, take profit, commission, and all that. You're going to have everything here. So this area signifies a time frame. So we have the 1 minute time frame, we have the 5 minute time frame, we have the 15 minutes time frame. So this is like a trading view. Majority of the time, I doubt if you use this, but sometimes you can decide to use depending on how it is. But for me, I use trading view, and I use MTTrader 4 to just execute my trade. So for those of you that will be in the signal room, you're going to see signals that will be dropping and you also know how to execute them. So if you come to this part now, we have templates. So you can remove templates, you can add templates. We have different tools here. We have layers, we have momentum, we have popular, we have volume, we have this. So if you save any template, this is where you get it. And if you come to this part also, we have our time frame. So these are the time frame that you are seeing here. Let's take it back. And if you come to this part, we have indicators. So you can actually launch any of your indicators here and you make use of them live. So we have trend indicators. We have average directional movement index. We have the Bollinger Band, we have the envelope, we have the Ichimoku Kikuhu, we have the moving average, we have the parabolic ZA, we have the standard deviation. If you come to oscillators, we have BS power, boost power, community channel index, we have D market, we have force index, MACD, we have momentum, we have moving average of oscillator, we have relative strength index, we have relative vigor index, a lot of them. And if you come to volume, we have accumulation and distribution, we have money flow index, we have unbalanced volume, we have volume. And if you come to Bill Williams, we have accelerator oscillator, we have alligator, we have awesome oscillator, we have fractals, we have ghetto oscillator, we have market facilitation index. And if you come to custom, we also have all these there, everything that I've mentioned. You see them. We have parabolic, we have stochastic, we have zigzag. So all these are the tools you can actually use. Then if you come to this side, you can shift the end of a chart to the right border, and you can also do this. You can come here and click, and you can come here and click, shift it to this point, and you can come here and click it. You can come and click again if you shift it away. So it's two ways. You can shift there and you can shift back. And we also have, so all this is how you can actually do your trade. So you can come here and work on them. So you can make it small and you can make it large. So we also have this arrange the windows into non-overlapping area. So you can come here so you can see what you're trading and see all this stuff. So you can come here again and you can exit from it. You can make it small and you can make it large also. So these are some ways you can actually manipulate the system. So here you can zoom, and here you can zoom out. You can zoom in, and you can zoom out. So depending on what you want to do. And if you come to this part, we have line charts. You can convert everything to line chart, and everything will be showing line. Or you take it to candlestick, which we used before. So you can come to this part also to turn it to bar chart. So you have your bar charts here, and you see your trade here. So we can also come here, change it to candle, or you change it to line chart. So prefer to leave it candle chart. So we also have here auto trading. You will have to enable auto trading, so it will trade automatically. So we have this area also. You can register an account as a source of trading signal. So you come here, you sign up, register. So that's not what we want to do. So if you come to this part here, you have their codes and different files that you need. So you have different informations here. So you have indicators here. So we have different files. So that's not what we need. Okay, let's go back. So we actually clicked here. So once you are here, you come to this part. This is where you see activate trading terminal. You come back and it will bring you here. So this place is when you want to place a new trade. Let's say you've done your analysis either here or you've done it on trading view. So what you want to do is to come here and click new. So once you come here and click new, so this is how to execute trade. So this is one of the reasons why I have not dropped any signal, but after this video I'll start dropping signal because I needed you to actually know how to do this. So the first part is the symbol. So the symbol tells you what you are trading. So now that you know what you are trading Australian dollar versus United States dollar. That is what you are trading. You can actually come here and pick a whole lot of these pairs depending on the currency pairs that you are trading. You can see all of them here, but for me, what I'm currently using as an example is the AUD USD. That's the Australian dollar versus the United States dollar. So now we are looking at volume. Volume is equivalent to lot size. So for depending on the account you have, but for those of us that are in the group that has $100 to $200, I think the lot size you should use is 0.01 for $100 to $200. So this is what you want to use. This is the lot size you want to use. Please don't go and use something higher than this. So I want you to use this 0.01. So that is what you want to use. Then you come here, you see stop loss. So if you are longing, your stop loss should be lower. But if you are shorting, your stop loss should be higher in numbers. So that is what I want you guys to know. For example, you can see the sell by market price and the buy by market price, because this type is on market execution. So if I want to change this, I'll change it to limit. So I'll come here and put it to pending order. So once I put it to pending order, you can see what I have here, buy limit. So it gives me a buy limit, and the expiration date is actually today. Then I can place my order here. You can see my lot size here. So what I want to do is I'll come to this part. As you can see, we have different prices here. Okay, we have different prices here. So what I will do is we have 64,200. So I'll come here and put 64,200. So 64,200 is what I'm willing to buy. I can buy at the price of 64,200. That is what I want to buy. So now I'm using a buy limit, and now if I'm buying at 64,200, so what will be my stop loss? So if I'm buying at 64,200, already you must have known how to calculate your stop loss based on your chart. Based on your chart, you must have known how to long and short. So it is that knowledge that we are bringing here. I will show you guys immediately I get off this platform. Okay, let me just quickly move there and show you. Take, for example, you are currently trading at this point now. So let's come to this is a 15 minutes chart. So this is AUD USD that I'm using to do example. So at this point, for the example I'm doing, I'm longing. So I'll come here and I'll pick my long position. So I'll say, okay, I'm buying at this price, which is 64,200. So if I'm buying at this price, I'm saying, okay, I'm selling at 64,376. So that is what I'm selling. So I'll come here and adjust my stop loss to this point. So now what I want you guys to pay attention to is to see where I'm trading and where I'm taking my profit and where I'm taking my stop loss. For example, let me shift this to cross. So if I'm taking my profit here, that's I'm looking at, let me put it here. Okay, so I'm looking at 64,370. So let's jump back here and say my take profits will be 64,380. So let's say 64,380. So that is my take profit region. So let's jump to the chart. So this is where I am. I said I'm taking at 380, a bit higher. That's 64,380. Okay, that's where I'm taking my profit, 64,380, which is here 64,380. So now I'm considering my stop loss, because just as I'm interested in making profit, I'm also interested in protecting my capital so that the market will not take it away from me, just like CBS took away people's money. So I want to protect my capital. So what I will do now is to come back to my chart. So this is my chart, and this is very tight stop loss. Of course, when we come to the market, our stop loss will not be tight like this, but I just want to show you how this thing works. So I'm ready to lose some pip. So I'll be taking a loss or taking a negative return when the market hits 64,171. So I'll come to this place and my stop loss will be 64,171. So this will be my stop loss. So because I don't have money in this account, I wish there is money, I would have clicked place order and the order will be placed. So for example, let's place, say waiting. So we actually bought. Amazing. So it said this buy limit order. You can see my order here. So you can see it here. Buy limit. You can see the size. You can see what I'm buying. You can see the price. I'm buying at 64,200, and my stop loss is 64,171, and my take profit is 64,380, and the current price is now 64,214. So I'm waiting for a sharp pullback to take advantage of this. So I'll click OK. So this is my trade, and I'm waiting for it to be executed. So now, if you notice, it jumped to this price here, and what I have here is 64,200. So looking at this, we are currently 64,211. So I hope this is clear, and I hope you can put your order on your own, because after this video, what you'll be seeing is full trading. So now it's like we are out of the game, because I don't know if you observe what happened. So everything just disappeared. Everything just disappeared. So let's look at it. So they notice I couldn't execute the trade because there's no cool cash. Yes. So, but I'm just glad you were able to see what happened. You saw how the trade went. So you saw how the trade went. So you saw how I placed the order, which is more important. So I can still come here again and put new order. So this is where we are. Come to market execution and say pending order. So now, if you remember the first one we placed, it was showing buy limit. So I will come here and click sell limit. So that tells you that I want to actually sell. So I want to sell. That is what it implies. So now, when I know I want to sell, what I will do is to currently come to this part. You can see the price that is moving. You can see the prices here. You can see everything. So currently the price, this is my entry, 64,176. So I come to this place. So I come to this place and said I'm entering at 64,196. So that is the price I'm entering. So because I'm shorting, my stop loss will be higher. So if I'm entering at this, I'll say, okay, take me off if this price get to 64,200. 64,200. So that's what I'll say, 64,200. Then my take profit, I'll say, okay, take profit when this price drop to 64,160. So that's 64,160. So this is what it is. Then I'll come here, I'll click place order. Then it said execution invalid, stop loss or take profit. I said okay. So 64 Ds, 64,200 take profit, then 64,160. Okay. So I'll just say okay, I just want 6 pip. So I'll say take profit at 64.80. Take profit 64. No. So take profit will be 64,200. Take profit is 64,200 because no, I'm selling, so my take profit should be lower. So if I'm entering at 196, so let's say I'm going to take 10 pips. So let's say I want to sell at 64,186. 64,186. So I'm doing this manipulation so that you understand what I'm doing. So my stop loss will be 64,200. So once you get to 64,200, then I click. Said invalid, please verify operation parameters. I said okay. So the current stop loss is 64,200. Okay, let me enlarge this thing. Okay, take profit is 64,186. Okay. So which of the trade is going on like this? And I'm not having access to this. And I'm not normally I'm supposed to be seeing what is going on here. So I think maybe because it is too small. And don't forget, you can actually adjust all this using the chart. You can adjust all this using the chart. So let's just close this. Let's close this, and okay, I think we are fine. So now you've learned how to because all these units I'm showing you, it is going to be contained on the signal. So the signal will carry all this. So the volume, the lot size, you use it yourself, 0.01, depending on what you have, your stop loss and your type of execution. If you leave it at market, it's going to buy at current price. So I advise you to adjust it to pending. so that you can choose if it is buy limit or if it is sell limit, and also if it is buy stop or if it is sell stop also. So we have all these here. So with this, I hope you'll be able to place a trade, and I hope you'll be able to take your profit. So you can also translate this into your mobile application. Even though I'm going to do a video for that, I believe with this you can be able to test your MTatrader 4 and see how you can manipulate it, how you can use it before I drop the mobile version, so that on Tuesday we can carry out our trading, and our trading will start effectively. So I also designed a spreadsheet that we're going to use to track our progress. So that is what we are going to do. So I want to be sure that you've actually understand how to use this platform. And also you can see you can create new chart here. You can come here and create let's say you want to create AUD CHF. You come here, you create another chart here. So you can see you have another chart. So you can have two charts on a chart here, and you can come here also, and we have next profile. You can remove profile. We have this area also. You can check what the bid and ask price is doing, and let's say we are doing card. So if you click it twice, you want to buy and sell using this. So you have all of them, and you can check the spread within them and see how they are doing. So you can see. Let me take this a while. Okay, so you can see what we are having here. So we have the symbol, we have the bid and ask. So you can see the difference here. You can see the prices are actually changing. So we have all these commodities here. So we have chart also for the one I click, which is card CHF. So this market watch. So you can come here, click here. So this is how you work for this. Then we have a data window also, which you might not need. Then you come to this part, we have navigator, which is Control N. Then we come to this, we have terminal. So you can actually make this a full terminal here. Then we also have strategy test. You can back test. So these are a whole lot of things you need to know if you want to use the MTatrader 4 to do your chart analysis. But I will encourage you to always use your trading view to do your chart analysis. So you can see, you can do USD JPY. You can see your trade there, 15 minutes actually pushing up. So this is another good trade you can look at. So this is a good one also. So you have all the tools you need here. So just use MTatrader 4 for execution, then use trading view for charts analysis. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to join the Pistis Forex Academy. We are going global. We're currently planning to establish all over Nigeria to help more than 10 million youths to become profitable traders. So that's our goal, and we are taking it a bit by bit. So look forward to our Pistis Forex Masterclass. The first edition is going to be free, and you're going to get value, and you're going to get certificate, and after which subsequent one will be a paid one, so that we can keep the system running and pay our facilitators and also pay for the facilities we are going to be using. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. And don't forget to tell your friends to come and learn for free. And don't forget to use the link in the description to join my Telegram community, where we discuss, where you can ask questions, where you can have access for free. You can have access to me for free, and we'll continue to trade. Like I said, from now till December, every of the services we'll be giving is going to be free, except you want to request for a VIP service. That will cost you money. But for now, everything is going to be free. But from the 1st of January 2026, we are going to start taking money for the Telegram. We will not end this free one. We'll just create another one for the VIP, where you can pay monthly, or you can pay yearly, or you can pay lifetime access. So those are the three categories we are going to do. So thank you so much for watching, and like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified anytime I post enriching videos like this. Until I come your way again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you, my friends. Bye.